Okay, so in this video, we are going to discuss select statement in detail. Actually, so if you see in our previous video, we discussed about the basic select statement, guys. Okay, basic select statement like so we have selected even with the star. Okay, star means we said, so what we said, star means the total records. Okay, so whatever the columns we have, so sorry, star means the total columns. Okay, whatever the columns we have in the employee, okay, that we discussed, right? Without star means, okay, without star means like if you specify some columns, like suppose if you have this one, okay, if it is star, so it will give the so total records with the tool designer who are there in the tool designer. Like, so you can without where class also, you can where class will discuss now in this video detail. But without where class, if you specify the stars, all columns will come. But if you want to select one or two columns in this suppose login id and job title, if you want to select, you can specify those columns. Okay, whatever the columns you want to select, whatever the columns you want to specify, so you can login id, okay, comma, okay, for each after column you have to specify the comma, okay, and then job title, okay, so you can specify the job title and then you can select. Okay, you can select only those two records, guys. Okay, only those two columns, not sorry records, not column, records, it's a columns. Okay, so only two records, okay, only two columns you can select in that. Okay, in where class you can specify which job title you want to see, you want to filter it out. Okay, where class is used to filter the data in a table, guys. Okay, where class is used to filter a data in a table. So you have this many, so you want to be focused on only tool designer. Okay, then you will go with the where class. Okay, so where class will provide only the tool designer who are there in the tool designer. So just it's giving like that. Okay, and today and also we will go with this some other things, guys. Okay, so we'll go with the some other things. Okay, I have a customer table. Okay, so in customer table I have a id, name, email, age, city and salary. So here, okay, here, so now we can use a where class. Okay, so filtering, so here so in previous class we discussed this and also I explained just now also. So specific columns are all columns we can, and distinct rows. Okay, distinct rows means suppose so you have a city. Okay, how many cities are there? If you so cities are repeated somewhere, but if you see uniquely, how many cities? Hyderabad, Pune, Bangalore. Okay, only three cities. Okay, distinct means it will give only the distinct values. Distinct values means what? Unique values. Okay, distinct city, how many cities are there in my customer table? Okay, I want to see the unique values of that city. Okay, how many are there? So how many are there? Three. So that way you can find out the unique values in a column. Okay, distinct means it will specify the unique values in a column, guys. Okay, so whatever the, so suppose if you want to specify the product, or if it is a product table, how many unique products are there, something like that, you can identify by using the distinct keyword. Distinct keyword will give the only unique values. Okay, and so next, what? Filtering with where class. Okay, okay, in where class also you can filter some values. Suppose I will take this one, okay, and take a copy, okay, and paste it here. Okay, so instead of distinct I will specify the all. Okay, so you can specify the columns also and you can specify the all also, guys. Okay, so now, so here in where class, okay, if you see the star, okay, what are the values are there, something like that. So these are the values we have. Okay, in this so I want to select the age, who are age is 30, 26 and 32, something like that. Okay, where age is equal to 26 or age is equal to 30 or age is equal to 35, something like that. Okay, so this is one way to write this. Okay, but it's a, we can write in a simple way also. This is one way to write. Okay, So see, so whose age is 26. Okay, 26 is coming. So these are 26. Okay, and so age is 35 and age is 30. Okay, so but we can write it in a simple way and some other way, guys. Okay, we can use in class. Okay, in class, what in class will give the what in class will specify the list of values, guys. Okay, in class will specify the list of values. Okay, so these are the list of values I required. Okay, these are the age. Okay, suppose age in. Okay, specify the values, list of values. Okay, what are the list of values you required? 26 comma 30 comma 35. Okay, you can specify the list of values. It will bring the list of values from the table. Okay, just you are selecting the whatever the values you want. Okay, so this is the simpler way. Okay, instead of writing this, okay, this way you can write. Okay, this is the simpler way. Okay, so in class we'll specify the list of, okay, list of values, whatever the list you want to specify. Suppose you can specify the city also. Okay, whose city in, okay, I want to the list of employees who are stay in, okay, Pune and Hyderabad. Okay, who are stay in Pune and Hyderabad. Okay, city equal to city in, okay, open bracket, okay, city in open bracket, HYD and Pune, comma Pune. So then you can select this. Okay, even so who are staying HYD and Pune, it will give. Okay, see, so only city, HYD and Pune. Okay, so like that, whatever you want. Okay, you can specify the list of values and then you can bring from that table. Okay, that is the in class, guys. Okay, next we have a between. Okay, between specify the range. Okay, between specify the range. Suppose you can take this table only, same. Okay, so suppose you have a so if you select the star, okay, so the total, okay, so you have a age. Okay, I want to whose age is 20 to 30 between. Okay, I want to select the employees whose age between 20 to 13. Okay, then you can specify the where class. Okay, on age. Okay, you are selecting age, right? So age between, okay, age between how much? 20 to 20 and 30. So it's specifying the range. Okay, so whose age between 20 to 30. So when we use the between, so you will specify the and. Okay, it's a mandatory, that is the syntax, guys. Okay, when we have a between, so and will come, so that is the syntax. Okay, so it will bring the whose age 20 to 30. So it will give, so between the 20 to 30 range. Okay, it will specify the range, guys. Okay, it will specify the range. Okay, that we can go with the range. So if you want 20 to 40, you can specify the 20 to 40. So it will give a range. Okay, always between, remember that, guys. Okay, always between give the range. Okay, so then after we have a, in where class we can use the like operator. Okay, like operator will specify the pattern, guys. Okay, so you have a different like wildcards. So one is a percentile, one is underscore, not is hyphen, it's underscore, guys. Okay, underscore and this square brackets and this also. Okay, we'll see what is these things we can do with the wildcard. Okay, wildcard. Okay, so just take this same copy. Okay, and then with the wildcard. Okay, so now, so this is the total table, guys. Okay, this is a total table. I want to select whose name starts with Y, whose name starts with Y. Okay, so suppose where class and name. Okay, like, okay, if anyone in even interview question also will ask whose name starts with A, whose name starts with the Y, something like that. Okay, that time you have to use the like operator. Okay, it will search whose name will having a Y, something like that. Okay, so suppose you can specify the Y and then, so this will this percentage will search like who's, if you specify at the end of this Y, so it's end with Y. Okay, end with the name, end with Y, that means. Okay, if you specify the front of Y, it will start with Y, something like that. Okay, something like that, guys. Okay, then click OK. So end with Y. suppose if it starts with y, something like that. Okay, so if you want to start with y means y, you have to specify y front of this percentile. Okay, it will give. End with y means, okay, so you have to specify of percentile then after y. Okay, that will give end with y. Okay, whose name end with y. So Reddy name end with y. Okay, so like that, guys. Okay, so start with y means first you have to specify y and then you have to specify the wildcard. Okay, so like that. Okay, so this is the start with y. Okay, this is the start with the y, name with y, start name with y, and if you want to end with y, so you can go here and then if you can specify the percentile first and then, okay, so you can specify that. Okay, so you can end with y, end with the y, end with name with y. Okay, something like that. Okay, you can execute this, it will give the end with y. Okay, so whatever, guys, okay, you want to whatever, so you can use the percentage whose name start with a, you can specify any alphabets and you can specify. And also if you see the, so you can, if, and also you can see the customer table, guys. Okay, so if the customer table, so I want to see the invalid, I want to find out the invalid id. Okay, invalid email id. So some of the email ids, okay, I want to find. Okay, so suppose one character which is having one character and at the rate one character and then pcf.com, something like that. Okay, so I want to specify, suppose we dot, see, this is the invalid email IDs, guys. Okay, last two are invalid email IDs. Okay, I want to find that invalid email IDs. Okay, so for that, what I'm going to do, so I'm going to select, okay, select and even where class, okay, like operator. So I'm going to use a where class and like operator. And so instead of name, I have to specify the email address. Okay, you can select the email, and here, so you can specify if underscore. So with the underscore, I'm now I'm selecting it. Okay, so one character before which is having the email address having one character only in the front of that at the rate, and only one character after the at the rate, and then pcf.com. Okay, pcf.com. Who are having like this? Okay, so that those are the invalid email id. Okay, so then you can go with the, and you can select, see these email ids. Okay, if you see the results, v at the rate v pcf.com. Okay, this is an invalid email id. Yes at the rate spcf.com, this is an invalid id. Okay, like that you can get. Okay, so at the rate before one character. Okay, underscore will specify the one character. Okay, one character. Okay, so it will specify the one character, guys. Okay, so that way we can. Okay, if it is not like, okay, who are, so I want to select the valid email ids. Okay, who are not like this. Okay, who are not having this, that is a valid email id. Okay, you can select that and you can specify. Okay, these are the valid email ids. Okay, like that you can go with the like operator. Okay, so like with the underscore, guys. Okay, like with the underscore will give the like that. Okay, and then what are the operators? Wildcard we have, so yeah, we have a square bracket. Okay, square bracket give the, okay, square bracket will give the, like, you know, so who are the names specified? So you can start with, suppose you want to start with the SNY, something like that. Okay, so whose name starts with the SNY, something like that. So then you can specify in the square bracket, guys. Okay, whose names start with whose name. Okay, name like, okay, name like, you can specify the in square bracket. It's a string, right? So that is the reason you have to keep a code. And then, okay, whose name starts with SNY. Okay, so then you can go with this and then you can execute it, guys. Okay, you can execute it. Sorry, you have to specify the percentile after this. Okay, you have to specify the percentile after this. Okay, any character of that, so you can specify SNY and then any character of, okay, it should start with, the name should start with SNY and then any character after that. Okay, so you can see, okay, S, N, Y, and N, S, okay, something like that it's getting, okay. If you don't want to S, N, Y, so then you can go and then you can select, okay. So you can specify this symbol, guys, okay. So symbol, and then you can execute it, okay. It will give which are not having that name, okay, which are not having that name, okay. So this is, and so these are the wildcard we have in a like operator. Okay, these are the wildcard we have in a like operator, guys. Okay, so these are the like operators. So mostly you can specify. Okay, even okay. So I specified only one character, right? So you can specify double underscore. It will take two characters also. Okay, so after suppose in name, okay, in name or like in city. So after H, you want to see only two characters, you can specify the double underscore, okay, double underscore. It will give the characters, okay, like that you can go with, okay. Then after like you can go with the join conditions, okay, joining multiple conditions using and or operators case, okay, joining multiple conditions using and or operators, okay. So you can go with this and then you can, okay, so let's select and so suppose you have a, okay, where whose age, okay, whose age, okay, here my condition is age, who are okay, who are city, okay, suppose city, okay, their city should be Hyderabad, okay, there should be city should be Hyderabad, and city and R, okay, R, you can specify R, okay, R city equal to Pune, okay, city equal to Pune, okay, and okay, and age is equal to age between, okay, you can specify age between, okay, age between 25 to 35 guys, okay, who are so here condition is, okay, here condition is city should be Hyderabad or Pune, okay, city should be Hyderabad or Pune, and their age between should be, sorry, not two here, so we have to use and condition, guys, okay, that is the syntax as I said, okay. So who's, so you can specify the parenthesis between these city spelling I think wrong, so that is the reason it's showing red, okay. So you can go like this and then, so you, from here this is a one condition, right, you can specify the parenthesis here, okay, you can specify the parenthesis and then you can execute it now, okay. So it will give the cities Hyderabad, Pune, and whose age is between 25 to 35 guys, okay. So see, so these are the results, guys, okay, like that we can go with the and condition or R condition, guys, okay. And we can use or order by class also, okay, in select you can use the order by class, okay. So now if you select this table, suppose if I select this table, so how this is giving order, so based on the our primary key ID is the our order, right, so based on the ID, so 1 2 3 4 5 it's giving order. Suppose I want to be order with the name, okay, I want to order with the name. Suppose you can select this this thing and then, okay, you can specify the order, guys, okay, order by name, you can specify the name, okay, you can specify the name and then you can execute, okay. Okay, you, if you don't specify anything like order descending or ascending, okay, it will give the ascending order, okay. So first Kamalaka, then Nagaraj, and then Naveen, Reddy, and Sai, Srinivas, Venkatesh, yeah, okay, that is last, okay. If you specify the descending order, okay, if you specify DESC, okay, it will give the descending order, guys, okay, it will give the descending order, okay. And if you don't specify anything, suppose if you don't specify anything, okay, so if it is a name is descending order, okay, name is descending order, and then age, okay, age you want to specify, okay, comma age specify, okay, you can specify something ascending order, something like that, you can specify the orders also, okay, multiple orders also, okay, age is ascending, okay, ascending order, okay, something like that, okay, you can specify, sorry, okay, comma, I think comma is required, yeah, so comma is required, okay, like that. First it will give the descending order and then after it will going with the age with the ascending order, okay. So like that it will give, okay, both you can select like that, okay. Now, okay, order by, after order by we have a top n, guys, okay, top n or top n percentage, okay. What is top n, okay, So you can select the, suppose I want top and salary. Okay, so who's having top one salary? Okay, top salary. Okay, you can go with this, and then okay, you can select this. Okay, these are the total records we have. So who is having highest salary? Okay, who is having highest salary? Then you can okay, order by salary. Okay, order by salary, salary descending, order by salary descending. Okay, you can select that, and then okay, now it will give order based on the, so this one, and then I want a top one salary. Okay, top one salary. Okay, you can select this one, guys. Okay, top one salary star, you can specify the column names. Okay, you can specify the column names. Okay, it will give the top one salary, whose salary is having top one. Okay, so like that you can get it. Okay, like that you can get it. Okay, so and also top percentage, guys. Okay, if you want a top percentage. Okay, top percentage. Okay, top percentage means top 1%. If you specify the 1%. Okay, percentage. Okay, so 1% means it will give only one record. Okay, top one record. Okay, sorry, you have to specify the columns after this. Okay, so that is a star. Okay, top 1%. So where is the from, what is happened? Top 1%. Yeah, syntax errors, percentage spelling or what? Percentage is not working. Huh? Okay, so suppose top 50%, something like that. Okay, you can specify the percentage case. Okay, percentage. Okay. Percentage should work. Okay, but I don't know why it is not working. Okay, so that we'll see in the next class. Okay, this is about this select statement, guys. Okay, if you like my video, please subscribe my channel, and also you can see more videos from PCF, guys. Okay, so the percentage, top percentage, we'll see. Okay, why it is not working and all. Okay, that may be the syntax error or something like that. Okay, that we'll see tomorrow. Okay, and then tomorrow class we'll see the delete and the truncate and the drop. Okay, so what is the difference between delete, truncate and drop? Okay, we'll discuss detailed about the delete, and then afterwards we'll discuss about the delete, truncate and that thing, guys.